Hello, my name's Katie Brindle, founder of the Hayo'u method, and today I'm going to give you an introduction to this, one of my all-time favorite tools, which is the facial brush. If you've tried body brushing, it's now time to face brush. Introducing the Hayo'u face brush, one of the most pleasurable beauty techniques you will ever try. It is the most sensual, pampering, addictive beauty technique, and all you do is take the brush on dry skin and simply brush from the middle outwards, always ensuring that you're brushing down to the lymph nodes further down. So we're starting on the middle of the chin, outwards and down, over the cheek, under the eye, always downwards, over the brow and downwards. So the first technique is a sort of flick like this. Then, if you wish, you can spiral gently down. The reason why we do that is this technique is more for blood and physical circulation of the body, and this technique is more mirroring the energy circuits of the body, because energy moves in spirals rather than a straight flow. So with your brush, you want to do both. Now, this is one of my all-time favorite tools. I use it religiously every single day. First thing in the morning, last thing at night. I've got one in my handbag. I use it because you don't need to have oil. You don't need to have sort of gone into the faff of cleanse, tone, moisturize. You can just crack on. Tell me what you think. Have you ever tried face brushing, and is it something that you would like to incorporate in your beauty routine?